In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Squarespace to Facebook business page. Connecting your Squarespace site to your Facebook business page is a powerful way to streamline sharing updates, promote your content, and enhance your online presence. Whether you're looking to automatically post updates or simply make managing your business simpler, this tutorial will walk you through every step of the process. If you're new to Squarespace, you can use the link in the description below to get started. Now let's dive in. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard on a desktop. Using a desktop ensures you have full visibility of all the options, making it easier to follow along with the settings we're about to adjust. Once you're in the dashboard, navigate to the left-hand side menu and click on the Settings option. Think of this as your control center. It's where you'll find all the tools for managing permissions, site connections, and third-party integrations. After that, scroll down until you see the section labeled Third-Party Tools. This section is designed specifically for integrating your Squarespace site with external services, including social media platforms like Facebook. Click on it. Next, you'll want to locate and click on Connected Accounts. This area acts as an organizer for all the external accounts linked to your Squarespace site. It's where you can enable features like automatic posting to your social media or sharing updates from your website. To begin the connection process, click the Connect Account button or prompt. When the list of available services appears, select Facebook. Now, depending on your version of Squarespace, you might also see an option for Facebook page. Don't worry, Squarespace will typically guide you toward the correct option for business use. Once you've selected Facebook, a login screen will pop up. Sign in to the Facebook account that manages your business page. If you're already logged into Facebook on your browser, this step might be skipped automatically. Just make sure you're connecting the correct business account, not a personal one. If you manage multiple pages under your Facebook account, you'll be prompted to choose the specific Facebook business page you want to connect. Take a moment here to ensure you're selecting the right page for your business. After selecting your page, follow the on-screen prompts to authorize Squarespace to access basic data from your Facebook account. This authorization is necessary to securely link the two platforms and allow them to work together seamlessly. Once that's done, confirm the connection. Head back to Squarespace and double-check that your Facebook business page is now listed under Connected Accounts. This tells you everything is set up correctly. If you run into any issues like login problems or not seeing the correct page, here are a couple of troubleshooting tips. First, double-check that you have admin access for the Facebook page you're trying to connect. Without admin permissions, the integration won't work. If that's not the issue, try logging out and back into Facebook to refresh the connection. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Squarespace site to your Facebook business page. Now you can enjoy the convenience of automatic sharing and better integration between your website and social media. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.